Good morning, everybody. I am Pyumika Gunaratna and I will be the moderator of today's AGM. First of all, I warmly welcome you all for the annual general meeting of Society of Industrial Relations and Entrepreneurship Development, University of Peradeniya for the term 2021. The Society of Industrial Relations and Entrepreneurship Development, or what is commonly known as SIAD, can be introduced as a society which was founded to reduce the distance between the industrial environment and university. It is our vision to open up new paths for undergraduates with the guidance of the Science Industry Interaction Cell. We aim at transforming the science graduates at our faculty into entrepreneurs who can create thousands of employments in the market. Due to the prevailing global pandemic situation, we had to conduct this as a virtual meeting rather than a conventional one. Hoping that you all are safe, let's move on to the objective of today's meeting. The main purpose of having today's meeting is to appoint new office bearers for the upcoming term so that the ongoing and upcoming activities to keep on track. So without any further delay, let me invite our president, Mr. Sudhira Wickramarachchi, to officially welcome you.
Thank you, Yumika. I think all of you can hear me. Again, good morning, everyone. Today, I'm very pleased to address you all on my last day as the president of the SIREC, University of Peradeniya. This society was established in 2019 with the primary focus of introducing the industrial culture and inculcating the entrepreneurship skills and attitudes among the undergraduates of the faculty. So I was very lucky to take part as the founder president of SIREC. It is our vision to open up new opportunities for undergraduates with the guidance of Science Industry Interaction Cell. The main target of the society is to produce more and more entrepreneurs from the Faculty of Science who will generate thousands of employment opportunities using their knowledge and experience. Further, the society is expected to give them more exposure to the industrial environment with the objective of developing skills and attitudes of undergraduates to match the industrial requirements. First, I greatly welcome Dr. Udena Ranatunga, present Senior Treasurer of the SIRET, to the first annual general meeting of Society of Industrial Relations and Entrepreneurship Development. And my dear committee members, members of SIRET, and my dear friends, I would like to warmly welcome you to this special event of SIRET. As I mentioned earlier, the society was established in 2019, but we have done a large number of events to achieve our vision. Up to now, online guest talks, introductory programs, field visits, and competitions have been conducted. We organized an introductory program about the Colombo Stocks Exchange. I personally know that many undergraduate students, as my friends, started to invest and make profits as a result of that program. In February, we were lucky enough to visit Bandaranayake International Airport. Students who were participating in that field visit got more and more knowledge about operations in an airport. I think we visited some places where the normal passengers were never permitted to visit, like the air traffic controlling unit. In that case, I should thank and mention here Mrs. Damayanti Veerakon, Secretary of Registrar. She gave me a huge support to arrange the transportation facilities. Also, I should be grateful to Professor Parakrama Karunaratne, Deputy Vice Chancellor of the University of Peradeniya, Mr. S.P. Rajapaksha, Registrar of the University of Peradeniya, and the society, we have organized 4 online guest talks as personal branding workshop with Mr. Amrita Gamage, guest talk about path to international recognized leader with Professor Janaka Ruwanpura, and another guest talk with Dr. Nirmala Silva about life after university. Conceptum 2020 is another major program that we have conducted to improve undergraduates' writing skills. I should be grateful to especially Dr. Lakshika Navaratne and Dr. Udena Ranatunga for the great support that they have offered in this article writing competition as the judges. Last week, we conducted Exodium 2020, the official orientation program for the S18 batch. It successfully ended with a large number of participants. It implies the progress and popularity that the society has achieved up to now. Especially, I should thank Professor R.D. Yapa for conducting a valuable guest talk to those first year students. At last, I would like to thank all of you. Finally, I would like to express my heartiest gratitude to Dr. Udena Ranatunga for joining this annual general meeting, and also my dear committee members, my dear members of SCIRED, and my dear friends. I'm pleased to thank you all for participating in this special event of SCIRED. Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you, Mr. Sudhira. During the past years, we have been achieved what our society is urged of. So let's peep into some memories and achievements gained under the previous leaderships. We have to acknowledge the efforts and the dedications of the previous office bearers as well as the members who managed to bring this club to this level. So let's make this an opportunity to thank all the members who were behind this success. Okay, now let's move on to the next task in the agenda. For that, I invite our secretary, Mr. Tharaka Vanigasekara, to present the minute of the last meeting.
Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Annual General Meeting Minutes of Society of Industrial Relations and Entrepreneurship Development. As the locational importance and barriers happened to the students in University of Peradeniya, there was an essentiality of a guidance society which shows the path for students to open the gates of the industry as well as their career into successful entrepreneur. This idea was discussed both in officially and non-officially to gather ideas, suggestions, and personal experience of individuals to lay a strong foundation for the society. The force to overcome from the inertia to build this idea into a society was supported by Dr. Roshan Yapa, who was the director of the industrial cell when the society was started. It is important to mention that voluntary students were raised their hand to give their support to the society and take the responsibilities of the society. In 11th March of 2019, an inauguration meeting was conducted with Dr. Yapa and expected office bearers. After the discussion of the official committee was appointed on 26th March in 2019 as the first committee of SIDET. The appointed office bearers was as the secretary, Mr. WMTNK Vangasekara was appointed. It was proposed by Mr. NHR Kodikara and it was seconded by Mr. MS Vikramarachi. And as the president, Mr. MS Vikramarachi was appointed and it was proposed by Mr. WMTNK Vangasekara and it was seconded by Mr. PRB Rajapaksa. As the junior treasurer, Mr. PRB Rajapaksa was appointed and it was proposed by Mr. KLJ Sarang and it was seconded by Mr. WDJ RS Ratnayaka. As the vice president, Mr. Roshan Ratnayaka was appointed and it was proposed by Mr. MAT Kulatung and it was seconded by Mr. DLAM Dasanayaka. And as the joint secretary, Ms. DN Senaratna was appointed and it was proposed by Ms. AM SM Karunaratna and it was seconded by Mr. RMCS Bandara. And as the editor, Mr. NHR Kodikar was appointed and it was proposed by Mr. WMTNK Vanagasekara and it was seconded by Mr. MS Vikramarachi. And after that, due to the Easter attack and the non-academic strike happened in the last year, where the online working system was not popular, about 3 months of the year was disappeared from our academic calendar. After the reopening of the university, immediately we had planned to carry out our previous organized work as beginning. As a request made by the undergraduates of the Faculty of Science and SIDET, an awareness program was organized about the Colombo Stock Exchange, basic stock market investment and how to involve with the stock market was as the first work of the society. It was held on 23rd October on 2019. And I should mention that with a group of about 60 students, we were able to achieve a great opportunity to have a field visit to Bandaranaike International Airport on 17th January 2020. Due to the pandemic of COVID-19, the planned field visit to the Colombo Fort City and the Colombo Fort was cancelled. But luckily, within that period, the popularity of working from home was gradually increased and familiarity with software like Zoom, Google Meet was increased rapidly, which was more helpful to create new path for working and to plan few online sessions for the society. On 14th June 2020, we were able to have an important discussion regarding future of the university students and the challenges they have to face due to COVID-19 and how they have to manage their studies with this situation. So we opened an undergraduate discussion forum via Zoom, which was named as Hazardous Effects of COVID-19 for undergraduate students to discuss the academic issues and their future planning. As a resource person, Mr. Amita Gamage, who has well experience in the field of personal branding, supported us to conduct an online workshop about personal branding and LinkedIn strategies, which was held on 3rd August via Zoom. In the late of August, we were able to organize Conception 2020, an article writing competition for university students under few topics. The topics were effect of COVID-19 on Sri Lankan economy, the influence of import and export on Sri Lankan economy, the prospect of Sri Lankan economy becoming an industrial technology-based economy, and evolution of the capital market in Sri Lanka. After that, another guest talk was organized by us on 31st October 2020 via Zoom with the help of the Professor Uwanpura as the resource person. He is the associate vice president of the University of Calgary in Canada, and we were discussed about the topic of 7-point recipe and model. After that, before the orientation program for the 18th batch student, one more guest talk we have organized with Dr. Nimalda Silva and as the resource person on 14th November regarding the topic of life after the university, which was mainly focused for the students who are leaving, waiting for the final exam and leave in this year from the university. As we have conducted the last program, Exodium 2020, the orientation program for 18th batch student on 19th December in this year. Apart from that, we were able to join the Industrial Day workshop of the Career Guidance Unit and other programs related to focus of the society held by university, which were more helpful to smooth our skills. According to our constitution, the director of the industrial cell is appointed as the senior treasurer of the society. At the beginning, Dr. Roshan Yapa contributed as the senior treasurer, which was changed in the late half of the society to Dr. Udena Rantunga contributed as the senior treasurer due to the changes happen in the industrial cell. And finally, I would like to say it is a pleasure to have such a good time with this society, which was a very active society in the university. And I hope that you will carry out this work for the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Taraka. And may I have some?
And yes, Bhumika, give me a 1 minute procedure. Can we accept the minute as someone proposed to approve the minutes?
I am Bhutin Pereira. I approve the minutes in order.
So then someone please second it without any objection.
Hello, I'm Ram. I will second it.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, Bhumika, you can continue.
Okay. As all the members are in favor of that, we will move on to the next task in the agenda. To present the budget of the last meeting, I invite our junior treasurer, Mr. Ramesh Buddhikar.
Thank you, Bhumika. Good morning, Dr. Udena Ranatunga, Senior Treasurer of the CIRED, the President, the Secretary, and all the office bearers and committee members, and all the members who are joining for the annual general meeting of the CIRED. It's my pleasure to present you the annual budget report of the CIRED for the year 2019-2020. Well, year before this year has started with an opening balance of 1,000 rupees. The society gained 80,000 rupees as income from the event Conceptum 2020, the article writing competition, as well as the contribution from the batches from the income was 6,000 rupees. Therefore, the total income of the society was 15,000 rupees. Now, let's see the expenditures of the society. The expenses for the field visit to the Bandaranaike International Airport was 1,680 rupees. The cost for the introduction program about stock market was 1,500 rupees. 4,500 rupees were spent for the certificates of the article writing competition Conceptum 2020. Online sessions were carried out without any cost. Thus, the total expenditures of the society sum up to 7,660 rupees for these 2 years. Therefore, the remaining balance of the society for 2019-2020 is 7,320 rupees, and that has been deposited to the bank account of the society. That's the end of the budget report. Thank you very much.
Okay, according to the AGM procedures, please someone propose to approve the financial report of the SIRET for the previous year.
I am Poshita Jayavikrama from 17 batch. I would like to approve the junior treasurer's report. Thank you.
Thank you, Poshita. So, someone please second it. So there aren't any objections.
Hello.
Yeah.
I am Dhanushka Dasanayaka from 17 batch. I second it.
Yeah, thank you, Dhanush. Yes, Pyumika, you can continue.
Okay, with the approval of the budget, let's begin to start the main objective of today's AGM. And it's time to appoint the new office bearers. For this, I would like to invite our current president, Sudhira Wickramarachchi.
Thank you, Pyumika. Now we have to move on to the most important part of this event. Okay. So we are going to select a new. So we are going to select the new committee for the upcoming committee year, and first we have to appoint a secretary for the new committee. So I would like to invite someone to please suggest a name for the position of the secretary.
I'm Shamika Vijayasinghe from 6th.
Sorry, we can't hear you.
I'm Shamika Vijayasinghe from 6th
Yes.
batch. I proposed Ramesh Rajapaksha as the secretary of this society.
Thank you, Shamika. If there aren't any objections about the nominee, please someone second it.
I am Chama Chandruvan. I second it.
Okay, thank you, Chamara. Thank you. So, Mr. Buddhika has been appointed as the new secretary of the SIRET for the next committee year. And
I would like to thanks to selected me as the secretary for the Society of SIRET for the year 2021.
And wish you all the best, Ramesh. And next one. So now we have to select a president for the new committee. So please someone propose a name for the position of the president.
Hello, I am Amantha Madanayaka, third year undergraduate, and I would like to propose Mr. Roshan Ratnayaka as the president of the SIRET Society. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Osha Sandar. There are any objections or Without any objections, please, someone second it.
I am Sadhra Sudharaga from 16 batch. I second it.
Yes, thank you, Sathira. So, Mr. Roshan Ratnayaka has been appointed as the new president of the Society of Industrial Relations of Entrepreneurship Development for the next committee. Then my best wishes for the new president and secretary appointed. I would like to invite Mr. Roshan Ratnayaka to continue the event as the newly appointed president of the SIRET. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sudharaka. Good morning to all. First, I would like to thank selected me as a president of the SIRET year 2021. Yes, okay, let's continue. Now it is time to appoint a new senior treasurer for the year 2021. Yes. Regarding to the constitution of society, the director of the Science Industry Interaction Cell, Dr. Udayana Ranatunga is appointed the senior treasurer of the SIRET. Okay. The next position. Now it is time to appoint a new editor for the year 2021. Please suggest some who's suitable for this position.
Okay. Hello, I'm Adish Kumarage from 16 batch. I propose Isuru Eranga as the editor.
Are there any suggestions?
I'm Dilusha Senarathan from 16th batch. I second it.
Okay, thank you. My congratulations for the Isuru Eranga for the new editor. Now it is time to new vice president for the year 2021. Can someone say?
I am Mithila Babasara of representing the 17 batch. I propose Mithun Nayanta as the vice president of our society for year 2021.
Any suggestions? If there are no suggestions, please second it.
Hello, I'm Dinasha Dhananjani from 17 batch. I second it.
Okay. I invite to new vice president to tell someone for the audience, and also I invite to the new editor for the someone to tell someone.
Thank you very much for appointing me as the editor of SIRET for 2021 year, and I would like to congratulate the newly appointed members and the president and the secretary, and also I wish best of luck for the outgoing committee. Thank you very much.
I would like to thanks for appointing me as the vice president of SIRET, and also for year 2021, and also I like to congrats all the new office bearers and committee members for this year. Thank you.
Thank you. Now it is time to appoint a new joint secretary for the society.
I'm Indra from 17 batch. I propose Pochita Jayavikrama. Thank you.
Are there any suggestions?
I'm Sandeep Lakshan from 17 batch. I second it.
Okay. Okay, and I invited to the new joint secretary for the SIRAT to tell something for the audience.
Thank you, Mr. Roshan. I would like to thank the attendees for appointing me for this new position as Joint Secretary, and I would like to congratulate all other members who were elected, and all the best in the upcoming endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you. The next position, now it is time to appoint the new junior treasurer for the society. Can someone suggest for this position for the suitable?
Okay. Hello everyone. I am Pramod Lipunajit from 17 batch. I would like to propose Mahela Sulaksana as the junior treasurer of the SIRAT Society.
Okay. Thank you. There are no any suggestions to second this.
Hello everyone, I'm from Janaka 17 batch. I second it.
Okay, thank you, Janaka. And I invited to the new junior treasurer for the SIRAT. Tell for the audience and okay, I tell again.
Hello, I am Mahela Sulaksana. I thank for who suggest me as a junior treasurer. I wish you all the best. You all. Thank you.
Okay, Mahela, thank you. The next part of the agenda, the next position is the coordinator and the committee member. Can someone suggest to this position?
Hello everyone, I am Rajitha Tushan from 16 batch. I would like to propose Mr. Shane Shavinda as the committee member and the 30th coordinator of the SIRAT. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajitha. Are there any suggestions? If there are no any suggestions, please second it.
Hello, I'm Akhil Chandip from 16 batch. I second it.
Thank you, Akhila. Okay, now it is time to appoint the new committee members for the 17 batch. I would like to invite to the new committee members for the 17 batch for suggestions.
Hi, I am Devinder Vaila from the 17 batch. I would like to suggest DB Dasanayaka, RP Fernando, DN Gimhara, and Pyumika Gunaratna as committee members. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Are there any suggestions? If there are no any suggestions, second it.
Hello, I am Sachin Dilshan from 17 batch. I second it.
Thank you, Sajid. But we want another 3 committee members for 17 batch. Can you suggest another 3 persons who in the second year batch?
Hi, I'm Sachini Nisansala from the 17 batch. I would like to propose Buddhin Pereira, Darshana Thamara, and Lakshani Piris for the committee.
Okay. Are there any suggestions? If there are no any suggestions, please second it.
I am Dilshan Karnachandra from 17 batch. I second it.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. And now it is time to appoint the new committee from first year batch. I would like to tell someone who suggests the first year committee members. Please, someone can suggest for from the second year batch, sorry, first year committee member.
Yeah, hi, I am Chamal Gurgi. I would like to propose following persons for the upcoming term as the representatives for the 18 batch: Karindra Jayasankar, Yashika Nipunu, Yasit Pereira, and Ashay Nidanayogi. Thank you.
Are there any suggestions? Okay, if there are no any suggestions, please second it.
Hi, I am Dulaksha Herath from 18 batch. I second it.
Okay, thank you, Lakshi. But I want another 4 committee members from first year batch. Can someone suggest for another 4 members from first year batch? Can someone suggest?
Hello.
Yes, okay.
I'm Pasdu Jepala from 18 batch. I would like to suggest Chamud Disanayaka, Mahisha Herath, Isuru Sandaruan, and Viraj Chimulu Surya as committee members for the upcoming year. Thank you.
Thank you. Are there any suggestions for the first year committee members? Okay, if there are no any suggestions, please second it.
I am Dilanka from 18 batch and I second it.
Okay, thank you, Dilanka. Okay, now I am coming to the final position for our committee. Now it is time to appoint the new media unit for the SIRET. Can someone suggest for the new media unit?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Manoj Bhagwat from batch of 80. I would like to suggest Sahan Kadithuakku, Pramandi Jayasundara, and Isru Dileepa for the media unit of SIRET. Thank you.
Okay. Are there any suggestions for the media unit of SIRET? If there are no any suggestions, please second it.
Good morning. I'm Motion Ekanaga from 18 batch. I second that suggestion. Thank you.
Okay. Now we have appointed the new committee for the year 2021 from SIRET. Thank you all. Priyanka.
Okay, thank you. And with that, our committee is finalized. Congratulations and wish you all the very best for your upcoming endeavors. And I think none of this would have been possible without the guidance and direction of our senior treasurer, Dr. Udayana Ranatunga. So I cordially invite Dr. Udayana Ranatunga to address the gathering.
Thank you, Bhumika, and good day to everyone. So first of all, thank you for this opportunity for giving me this chance to talk to you all. And first of all, let me congratulate the outgoing presidents, Diraka, and all of the executive committee. They've done an excellent job during the last 1.5 years. And I've found all of the committee members very enthusiastic, adaptable, which is very important in this year, and also very effective. Now, with that, I'd also like to felicitate the incoming president, secretary, and all of the executive committee. As you have seen, you have a very dynamic and very energetic group of committee members. And I'm very confident that they will carry on the path of the SIRID, and with the foundation that has been given to them, that they will reach even greater heights. And also, just by looking at the number of participants, I can see that the SIRID is growing, and I welcome all of the new members who have joined with us during the last year. I hope, and I think all of the SIRID hopes, that your time here will be very enjoyable and fruitful. Now, with that, on behalf of the SIIC, and as the director of the SIIC, I have to say that we are very happy with the work that the SIRID is doing, and we are very happy to support and participate in everything that the SIRID is going to do in the future. Before I wind up, I'd just like to mention a few things that I wanted to talk about today, and that's just about volunteering and participation. So this is something that I thought would be very important to all of you who are gathered here today. And something that that is close to my heart is that today the world is so full of information and possibilities that it's kind of hard to know what to do with yourself. And just those of you who have come to listen to the talks of the SIRID, you would have noticed that every successful person has his own path, own recipe for success, and all own keys to success. So with that, there's a world full of opportunities and a world full of ideas and a world full of information. It's very difficult for us to decide what to do, how to do it, right? And more than that, because we are exposed to so much information, there's a lot of pressure on us to excel at everything we do. So I would just like to share a little bit of my personal advice and just tell you a few things, right? So one thing I would like to say is the fact that you are all here today is a great sign. It means that you are willing to participate and volunteer in extracurricular activities and not just limit yourself to, just books and what you learn in the university. So I think this is the first step. I think first of all, when you decide what you want to do, this is the first step of growing, right? And it's an important one. Secondly, I think a trap that we often fall into, especially today, is that we try and measure what we do. We measure our successes, our efforts externally. Like for an example, you may make something and then you may show your friends. And in the past, your friends would appreciate saying, well, that's very nice what you did. It's very creative. But now everyone has access to the internet, to Facebook, and something that you do may not be at the level of the world today, or it may not be the best in the world. So what I want to say is, it doesn't matter. When you do what you do, when you put your effort, don't try and measure yourself with the whole world. It does not matter. Measure yourself against yourself. If you know that you've done the best that you can and you fulfilled your potential, I think that's all you can ask from. Third, with so many choices out there, there is a tendency or a trap that we fall into, that we sometimes second guess our choices. So we think back and say, I wish I would have done this. I wish I would have done this. I wish I would have not done second try and come to science faculty in the first try. I wish I didn't do science, right? Oh, something less. I wish I would have taken this course instead of this. I wish I have joined this society. So there are so many choices. We sometimes second guess the choices that we make. And I just want to tell you nobody takes the wrong decision on purpose, right? All the decisions that you've taken in your life were based on the information that you had at that time, and they were the right decision, right? If you had known better, you would have chosen something else, but you took the decision and now it was the right decision at the time. That's okay. But everything that you do, your successes, your failures, everything that you participate in will help you grow. And that is why I'm so happy to be a part of the SciRed, to be a part of activities like this, where everything that you do will eventually help you grow, fulfill yourself, make your perspectives wider, and enforce the strengths that you have in yourself. So with that, my congratulations to the outgoing committee, my best wishes to the incoming committee and all of the new members and all of the members of the SciRed, and best of luck in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Udena Ranatunga, and it's a great pleasure to have you here. As the final task of today's meeting, I would like to call upon the newly elected president, Mr. Roshan Ratnayaka, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you, Pimika. Okay, good morning, everyone. First, I like to thanks for the director of the Science Interaction Cell and our senior treasurer, Dr. Udena Ranatunga, and all the staff of Faculty of Science, University of Peradeniya, to support this event. And also I would like to invite thanks for the past committee for SciRed 2019-2020, our senior committee. And also I like to thanks the new committee and my heartiest congratulations for the new committee. And I like to thanks all the members of Society of Interaction, Society of SciRed. I would like to thanks all of you for the participation in annual general meeting of SciRed. As a society, we are planning to the main event for the next year, and I will hope all of you are joining with us. Good luck. Thank you.
With that, concludes the formal part of our meeting, and the annual meeting is adjourned. Thank you for joining and have a nice day.